Hey Tech Fam, I have something incredible to show you today. This is the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max, and Huawei has truly gone all out with this one. We're talking game-changing camera tech, a display so bright it practically has its own sun, and a design that screams premium from every angle. In a world saturated with choice, true excellence is rare. Prepare to see the world redefined. Introducing the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max. With the world's brightest smartphone display, every color, every detail is hyper-real, even under the midday sun. An unmatched 8,000 nits of brilliance. Beyond sight, there is capture. Our revolutionary quad camera system features dual periscope telephoto lenses, delivering the flexibility and zoom power of a professional camera, powered by the Kirin 9030 Pro chipset. Performance is no longer a metric, it's a given. Unstoppable speed, unyielding efficiency. If you thought smartphone cameras had peaked, think again. This, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max, is Huawei's boldest statement yet. We're talking next-level durability, a ridiculous 8,000 nit screen, and not one, but two 50-megapixel optical zoom lenses. Is this the most over-engineered phone of 2025? Let's dive deep and find out. The Mate 80 Pro Max is built around an all-metal body with Huawei's second-generation Kunlun glass at the front. The company claims this setup increases drop resistance by 20 times, improves bending resistance by 20%, and doubles scratch resistance over the previous generation. The phone is also IP69 and IP68 rated for dust and water resistance. More impressively, the Mate 80 Pro Max is the first smartphone in the industry with a dual-layer OLED screen. As a result, it can reach a peak brightness of 8,000 nits, and the dual-layer structure is touted to offer great efficiency and better viewing contrast. The screen measures 6.9 inches and features a 120Hz refresh rate, a 10-bit color gamut, 440Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, and 300Hz touch sampling rate. The entire Mate 80 range also includes a full 3D TOF setup on the front for biometrics. It combines a depth-sensing sender, depth-sensing receiver, and a 13-megapixel front camera into what Huawei calls an AI posture-aware design. Essentially, it's supposed to recognize faces more accurately and track body movement more precisely. On the performance side, the new phone is powered by the Kirin 9030 Pro chip in conjunction with Huawei's Arc graphics engine. Huawei says the Mate 80 Pro Max is 45% smoother and loads apps 34% faster than last year's Mate 70 series. The phone also supports 3D rendering acceleration and hardware-accelerated ray tracing capable of 20 million rays per second, which should improve gaming, video rendering, and motion graphics. Huawei says the Mate 80 Pro Max offers the highest integration of communication systems in any smartphone. It supports Wi-Fi 7+, standard cellular networks, Tiantong satellite communication, and Beidou satellite messaging. Huawei is pitching this as ground network plus sky network, no network, with support for 700 MHz emergency communications in situations where carrier networks are unavailable. The Mate 80 Pro Max debuts with Huawei's second-generation Maple Leaf imaging system. It's built around a redesigned primary imaging sensor with 2.45mm equivalent pixels and claims a 96% increase in total light intake. Huawei says the phone offers 300% higher dynamic range thanks to a dual real-time fusion system and can sense color more accurately through an upgraded spectral array. The main camera itself is a 50-megapixel, 1.28-inch RYYB sensor with a 10-stop variable aperture that can shift between f1.4 and f4.0. There's also a 40-megapixel RYYB ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel macro telephoto with 4x optical zoom, and a second 50-megapixel periscope with 6.2x optical zoom and up to 12-point optical quality zoom. If that's not enough, the phone also supports a 3.3 teleconverter via a new add-on accessory kit. Moreover, the Mate 80 Pro Max boasts a 6,000 mAh battery that supports 80-watt wireless and 100-watt wired charging, all within an IP69 certified housing, and weighs 239 grams for the 16GB plus 5GB model, while the 16GB plus 1TB variant is priced at approximately $1,240. What do you think? Is the dual periscope camera the future of mobile photography? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dive tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.